Realme launched its new 5G-enabled smartphones in India called Realme 14T. Now let's explore the specifications of these smartphones. The Realme 14T 5G features a tall 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 2100 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of RAM, that can be extended up to 14 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256 GB of onboard storage, which is expandable up to 2 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Realme 14T 5G sports a dual camera setup under squarish module at the top left corner, that houses a 50-megapixel main camera, with f1.8 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel depth sensor, with f2.4 aperture. For selfies it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.4 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 6000 mAh battery, with 45 watts SuperVOOC fast charging support, and it runs on Android 15 out of the box, with Realme UI 6.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.15 by 75.65 by 7.97 millimeters, and it weighs around 196 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Realme 14T 5G has been priced in India for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 17,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 19,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in obsidian black, surf green, and lightning purple color options. So, what do you guys think of this Realme 14T 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.